I'm just speechless right now. I don't know what to say honestly. As you can't imagine how long I've been waiting to get my hands on a 3D printer. And today the day has come. And I got my first ever 3D printer. Sitting right here. This baby right here is called the Ender 3 V3 KE from Creality. I did some digging and I watched a few videos and reviews about the machine on YouTube. And I can say, by far, this machine is the perfect choice and the most reasonable choice for entry users to get into the hobby. Alright, I don't want to waste any time, and I'm starting to lose sunlight as I'm recording the video. So I'm just going to dive deep into it, unbox the package, set up the machine, and run some quick tests to see what this baby can do. A pair of tools. I believe this is the spool holder, if I'm not wrong. Just gonna put it right here. Here we got the touchscreen display with 2 USB ports on the side. Just gonna put it right here. We got the filament sensor with a stand. Okay, I just can't believe this moment. Here we got the nozzle and the extruder along with the stand and with the structure. I'm just gonna put it on the bed. And finally we got, come on, it's really stuck in there. I don't know which way to open it. So let's remove this. And here we got the base plate. I'm just gonna put this right here. Alright, that was it. Let's just set everything up.
Supply as well as the screw terminal loose. Again. And just give them a slight wiggle with my hand and side of the printer there that we can plug in our main flat ribbon end of the ribbon cable. We'll get filament oil detection and plug in our filament. To do it for the average person, that's a pretty difficult bracket to.
I think that was it. Now it's time to test it. Alright, so everything's set up. I've run the first test. I mean, look at it. It's beautiful. Everything's running smoothly. And it's ready to print. Alright, now that everything's set, it's time to print the first model. And like everyone else, I'm going to print the default boat model that came in with the package. All I can say is that the speed on this machine is just crazy. Just look how fast it's moving. Alright, so that was it, the first print. You can see it says print complete, so I'm going to hit finish. And now I'm going to take it off. I actually ran some more tests with the machine, trying to figure everything out about the machine and 3D printing in general. And my thoughts are this machine is the perfect choice for beginners like me since it's got this fluid and very user-friendly ecosystem. Creality's application is super easy to work with, and I did 2 tests. And to sum it up, my first experience in working with 3D printers was just amazing. Hey, check this out. This is my very first print. I designed it in Blender and printed it with my printer. And just look at it. I actually love how the results turned out. It looks absolutely neat. Alright, so that was it for the video, people. Thanks for watching. I'm going to do some more designing and I'm going to try to print more models and upload the videos. I'll see you guys soon.